Very good evening to all who are present in the meeting. So, here the topic for today is use of technology in assisting survey based research. So, first of all, we start with the beginning the research, the basics for the research. Research is a systematic investigation into the study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. So, research will be a systematic investigation through a particular methods and the materials to achieve some specific goals or finding the solution of a particular problem or reaching to the conclusions. And another way, the research design is a set of methods or procedures we are using to collect the data and the variables specified in the problem research. A research design is a framework that has been created to find the answer to research question. So we have some specific objectives or a specific problem to find the solution. We are after the research for so for that achievement of that objectives, we have to go by some specific methods, the use of methods for that recommendation or the selection of that method that all come together as a research design. So survey based method, as we having the tools, we are suggesting the tools and the technology for survey based research. So we have to get to know about the survey based research. Already the sessions have been done through which we have learned about the survey based research. So survey based research is defined as the process of conducting research using surveys that are sent to survey respondents. The data collected from surveys is then statistically analyzed to draw meaningful research conclusion. So the research which is done on the basis of a survey, that we call the research which is survey based or the survey based research. The data collection, we get to know that the data collection is a process of collecting the information from all the relevant sources to find the answer to the research problem. So data can be targeting towards the test the hypothesis or to evaluate the outcomes. So data collection methods can be divided into two categories, the primary data and the secondary data. So if we compare the primary data and secondary data, so the secondary data is which the data we already having with us, which is already available, maybe over the sites, maybe over the books, maybe in the journal, in any of the form, but the data is available and the data we are using for our research, maybe as a literature review, maybe referencing or maybe inferring our research upon that we taken as the secondary data. And if we are talking about the primary data, the primary method of data collection, so primary method for data collection is the first hand information to be collected. So when we are going to collect some specific information for the first time, that we call the data collection through primary method. So survey based method is basically targeting to collection of the primary data. So data collection method, here I have included the few, the interview method, the observation, the surveys. Of course, surveys will be through the questionnaire. The users questionnaire or the schedule can be there, or users data or the focus group. So these are the few collection methods we are having. And the collection through survey questionnaire. So the method involves in survey data collection are any of the number of the ways in which data can be collected for a statistical survey. These are methods that are used to collect information from a sample of individuals in a systematic way. The data will be collected through a questionnaire.